Want to speak English fluently in just 90 days? I'm going to show you a powerful technique that native speakers use naturally every single day. It's called chunking, and here's the best part. You're probably already doing it in your native language without even realizing it. This technique will transform how you learn and speak English. And I promise you, it's much simpler than memorizing thousands of grammar rules. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to use chunking to speak English confidently and naturally. Before we start, if you're serious about improving your English, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. So, what exactly is chunking? Think about this. When native English speakers talk, they don't think about individual words. They think in groups of words that naturally go together. These groups are called chunks. For example, we don't say nice, then pause, then say to, then pause again, and finally say meet you. No, we say nice to meet you as one smooth chunk. It flows naturally. This is chunking, and it's the secret to speaking English fluently. Here's something most English courses won't tell you. Your brain actually loves chunks. It's easier for your brain to remember groups of words than individual words. Think about phone numbers. You don't remember them as 10 separate digits. You remember them in chunks. The same principle works for language learning. When you learn chunks instead of single words, you speak faster, sound more natural, and make fewer grammar mistakes. Let me give you 3 types of chunks that will change your English forever. First, we have greeting chunks. These are phrases like, "How are you doing?" "Good to see you," and "Have a great day." Notice how these words always appear together. Native speakers never mix these up or say them in different orders. Second, we have conversation chunks. Think about phrases like, "I'd like to," "Do you mind if," and "That sounds good." These chunks help you have smooth conversations without thinking too much. Third, we have situation chunks. These are phrases for specific situations, like, "Excuse me," "I'm sorry to bother you," and "Could you help me, please?" Now, let me show you how to learn these chunks effectively. Step 1 is simple. Stop translating word by word. This is crucial. When you see the chunk, "It's up to you," don't translate each word separately. Learn it as one complete meaning. It means you decide. That's it. Learn the whole chunk with its meaning. Step 2 is repetition. You need to repeat these chunks out loud many times. Say them while you're cooking, while you're walking, while you're waiting for the bus. Repetition builds muscle memory in your mouth. Your tongue and lips need to practice these chunks until they become automatic. Step 3 is context. Always learn chunks in context, never alone. Don't just memorize "by the way." Learn it like this. "By the way, did you finish your homework?" Or, "I love pizza. By the way, what's your favorite food?" When you learn chunks in context, you understand exactly when and how to use them. This is how native speakers learned their language, and this is how you'll learn English. Let me share a practical 90-day plan with you. For the first 30 days, focus on 10 essential chunks every week. That's just 10 chunks. Write them down. Practice them every day. Use them in real conversations or practice conversations. Some examples for week 1 could be, how's it going? I'm looking forward to. It depends on the other hand, and that makes sense. These 5 chunks alone will improve your conversations dramatically. Here's what you do daily. Morning routine. Spend 10 minutes saying your chunks out loud. Don't just read them silently, speak them clearly. During the day, try to use at least 3 chunks in real situations. It doesn't matter if you're talking to someone or practicing alone. Just use them. Evening review. Spend another 10 minutes reviewing all the chunks you've learned so far. This simple routine takes only 20 minutes per day, but the results are incredible. If you're finding this helpful, give this video a like and let me know in the comments which chunk you'll practice first today. Your engagement helps other English learners find this content too. For days 31 to 60, increase to 15 chunks per week. Now, you're building on what you already know. Start combining chunks together. For example, how's it going plus by the way becomes, hey, how's it going? By the way, did you see the news? See how natural that sounds? You're now speaking in longer sentences using multiple chunks. This is when your English really starts flowing. For days 61 to 90, focus on specialized chunks for topics you care about. If you love cooking, learn cooking chunks like preheat the oven, chop the onions, and let it simmer. If you work in an office, learn business chunks like let's schedule a meeting, I'll get back to you, and thanks for your patience. When you learn chunks related to your interests and daily life, you'll use them constantly. And using them constantly makes them permanent in your brain. Here's a crucial point. Don't worry about making mistakes. Every English learner makes mistakes, and that's completely normal. The beauty of chunking is that it actually reduces mistakes because you're learning phrases that are already grammatically correct. You're not trying to build sentences from scratch. You're using pre-built blocks that native speakers use. This technique naturally improves your grammar without studying complex rules. Let me tell you why this works so well. Native speakers learned English through chunking. When they were children, they heard chunks repeatedly and started using them. They didn't study grammar first. They learned, I wanna go, before they learned the proper form, I want to go. They learned, gimme that, before understanding contractions. Chunking is natural language acquisition, and it works for adults too. Start today. Right now, choose 5 chunks from this video. Write them down, say them out loud 3 times each, and then use them in a sentence. That's your first step. Tomorrow, review those 5 chunks and add 2 more. Keep building gradually. In 90 days, you'll have learned hundreds of useful chunks, and your English will sound natural and fluent. This one change will improve your English dramatically. Remember, speaking English fluently isn't about knowing every word in the dictionary. It's about knowing the right chunks and using them confidently. If you're ready to transform your English in 90 days, subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, drop a comment telling me your favorite chunk, and share this video with someone who's learning English. Together, we'll make English learning simple and effective. Start practicing your chunks today, and I'll see you in the next video.